Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Bank of America stock. And friends, I just want to update you that this stock is on a verge of breakdown and it's ready for a deep downside corrections. And the main reason behind of the correction is that this stock is trading near almost to an important support level, and at any moment that support level can get breakdown, and as soon as that level will get trigger, will get breakdown on the downside, this stock will going to start a deep downside corrections. And not only the breakdown of important support level, but this stock has also got materialized with multiple negative factors. This stock got triggered up with multiple negative factors along with the breakdown of important support level, and that I'll going to prove you on a chart. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here, you will be able to see that this was a bottom where this stock has started an massive upside rally. And as far as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock has given a bustling rally on the upper side, and stock got trigger with continue back to back higher highs. If you see the first higher highs over here, the second higher highs, third higher highs, the fourth higher highs. But as far as this upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, first time you would have noticed that its higher highs has been shifted to lower lows, and this is a point where we got a confirmation that stock is officially entered in the corrections. And my dear friends, this is the point, the breakdown of this downward sloping parallel channel. This was an area where the game started to change. My dear friends, if here we got a two major negative signals over here. The first negative signal is that this upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, and the second negative signal is its higher highs shifted to lower lows on closing basis, and that give us a confirmation that stock has started the correction. And this give an opportunity to go and short position, and we can earn a handsome amount on making a short selling opportunity on this stock. And my dear friends, here we will also notice the third negative signals. If you put the RSI over here, you will be able to see the negative diversion breakdown. My dear friends, if you'll see here, if you make a closer look over here, the price action has given a continue higher highs, but the same higher highs is missing on the RSI front, and this is the area where the we got a breakdown and it's ready for a downside move. And finally, we will discuss the fourth negative signal will be the chart pattern. If you see, if you make a closer look on the chart, you'll be able to see the negative chart structure already been prepared, and it's about to break down at any moment. If you'll see over here, you'll be able to see, you'll be able to notice the head and shoulder pattern over here, and the head and shoulder pattern is a negative pattern. It's a pattern for an short sellers. And the stock is almost trading to an important support level of the neckline. As soon as this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern got triggered on the downside, the stock will going to start a deep downside correction. And if you'll see the neckline, the stock is trading almost near to the neckline. All we have to wait for a neckline to get triggered to get break it down. As soon as you, if you see this neckline of the yellow line, you've got trigger out, it's four. Once we get the closing below $45, you'll be able to see the stock starting correction on the downside. And the first target of the stock will be somewhere around $44 to, yeah, somewhere around 44.40 to $44. And if this got broken, and if stock didn't take any support over here, and if this level also got threat, then you will find the stock will be going more deep downside, and soon you will find the stock at a level of $42. So soon the Bank of America stock, if the stock didn't respect this level, then there is a more downside towards a $42. And the stop, and if you want to keep a stop loss, the top of the shoulders, the right shoulder top will be the stop loss. And if you'll keep in the red, and if you see the risk to reward ratio is also favorable on the short seller side. If you'll see the risk area will be this much and the reward will be this much. So this trade is is a good bet for a short seller, and they can take this opportunity. With all this confirmation, with all negative confirmation, there is a good opportunity to go a short on the stock. And my dear friends, I just also want to remind you that this level will, once this level get broken down, then this level will act as a very important resistance. So far this level is important support. Unless and until this level won't get broken down on closing basis, it will remain in stock strong support. So there is a chance that the moment this level got broken down, this important support will change into an important resistance, because multiple negative factors got trigger over here. This is the area where we have seen the upper sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside. This is the area where we have find the higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this is an area where we have seen the negative diversion between the price action and RSI swings. And this is an area where we have seen the negative chart pattern, head and shoulder pattern also got trigger over here. So with due respect of all these negative sentiments, this stock is ready for a deep downside correction. But for that to start, the deep corrections to start, the stock need to break this neckline of yellow lines. That means the stock need to give closing below $45, and then you will see the magic of the short sellers. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and support me in getting my channel subscribed with your family, friends, relatives, whoever interested in stock market. Thank you, friends.